Welcome to today's Business Report. I am Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. The Dino Hines-led MFS Capital Partners Limited has advised that its subsidiary, Microfinancing Solutions Limited, has rebranded and will now operate as Monolith Financial Services Limited. Having begun operations in 2010, Monolith Financial Services has transitioned from its initial offerings of microloans to a comprehensive range of financial services comprising FX trading, remittances, bill payment services, and private credit from its 3 locations across Kingston. After 38 years of doing business in Jamaica, Gregory Fisher, Managing Director and Head of EM Fixed Income Wealth Management in Atlanta-based Jefferies, says that investors should be cautious as they seek to navigate the next 4 years. Watch our interview here. We are here with Gregory Fisher, and listen, he's a very, very important part of this regional investment conference that we're at. You know, it's 3 days of learning about strategic investment. So Greg, why are you here? And it's been 20 years. What's happening?
I'm addicted.
You're addicted?
I love Jamaica.
Okay.
This is the 20th year we've been doing this. The country, I've seen it go through so many changes.
Yes.
From an emerging country to now, absolutely, I look at it as the jewel of the Caribbean.
The jewel of the Caribbean. And your company?
Jefferies LLC.
Yes.
And I'm managing director, and I'm
Yes.
head of emerging market fixed income for the private wealth division.
So it's like you saw the baby grow.
I've been actually coming down to Kingston now for about 38 years.
38 years.
Yes.
So literally you've seen almost like in recent memory all the crises.
The financial crisis is everything. And to see where Jamaica started from, the growth,
the
persistence,
the
fiscal stewardship to where it is today, it is one of the most incredible success stories of my career.
All right, so we're not gonna steal your thunder for your presentation, but can you give us 5 tips maybe to say, okay, we're in a volatile, uncertain, but you've seen that for 38 years.
We've seen that. We're in a volatile scenario. Be diversified.
Okay,
that's number 1. Be security specific. Know what you're buying.
Right. So no guessing.
This is not the time to play craps. We've had 2 years of the S&P being up 25%.
Right.
I don't think we're going to have a 3-peat. So I would be very defensive.
Yes.
Meaning stick to names that you know.
Right.
And stick with what you know.
Right.
From the bond standpoint and from the equity standpoint.
Right. Okay.
But I do think that in the United States, we obviously have a new president.
Yes.
I think growth will continue.
Yes.
The rest of the developed world is somewhat in a recessionary environment. I don't think the United States is going to go through that. I hope not. That's my opinion.
Right.
And you look at Jamaica, and unlike most countries, developed or even the emerging markets, to have their debt to GDP reduced since COVID, they're an anomaly.
So Jamaica is an anomaly.
Well, you look at the U.S., you look at Germany, you look at UK, and the debt to GDP has only increased after COVID.
All right. So 38 years of seeing different
38 years.
Scenarios.
My first prime minister that I met, it was PJ Patterson.
Okay, wow. So what are we doing tomorrow? Are we researching? What are we doing with the cash? We're talking.
And we're talking about the volatility. Don't be scared of it. Embrace it.
Yes.
Because the volatility is where you can do well.
Okay,
this is not something that has happened only one time.
Right.
These sort of cycles have happened.
Yes.
It's just that people were getting used to stimulus for so long, they forgot how market cycles work.
All right.
Yep.
And so there you have it from a seasoned expert. My name is Denise Williams. We've been talking with Greg Fisher, and 38 years coming to Jamaica, seeing all the cycles. He says be diversified, do your research, do not gamble, and talk.
Talk
To the experts. Talk with the professionals.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, my love. I appreciate it.
For the trading period ending January 22, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited US dollar shares with 10,849,216 units traded represented 25.32% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited Jamaican dollar shares with 8,989,728 units traded represented 20.98% of market sales volume. Beverage manufacturing firm Jamaican Teas Limited with 8,837,088 units traded accounted for 20.62% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On January 22, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $60.56 million purchased and US $63.89 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.28 in profit per dollar, selling the US at $157.72 and buying the US at $156.44. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.64 in profit per transaction, with selling at $109.93 and buying at $108.29. The British pound yielded Forex traders $8.14 in profit, with selling at $195.13 and buying at $186.99. For our credit report tip of the day, building business credit from scratch, even if you're starting from rock bottom, in particular starting a business after unemployment and debt, can feel difficult. Use these steps to climb out of debt, build credit, and create a business that fuels your dreams. Here's a roadmap to get you started. Pay like a champ. Every bill, every time. Early payments scream trustworthy to lenders. And reinvest with purpose. Pour your profits back into your business. Show lenders and investors that you're serious about growth. Now we look at resilience and recovery. For resilience and recovery as a professional woman over the age of 45, you have the power, the wisdom, and the grit to make it happen. Whether you're recovering financially or ready to finally claim your seat at the table of reoccurring income, know this: you've got what it takes. All that's left is action. Here are some tips. Build your team. No one succeeds alone. Find your financial architect, your accountability partner, your dream builders, because collaboration is the new currency. And then make a decision and commit. Write this down. Indecision is the killer of dreams. Pick a path and don't look back. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step forward to your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.